Hello friends, hope you're well, and today I have a video about repurposing old bicycles to decorate your home garden. So repurposing old bicycles to decorate a home garden is a trend that has been gaining popularity in recent years. It's not only gives a new life to your old bicycle but also adds a quirky and artistic touch to your garden decor. Here are some creative ideas to help you use your old bicycle in your home garden decor. Firstly, you can use your old bicycle as a plant stand by placing plant pots on the rear rack and the basket of the bicycle. You can add colorful flowers or green plants to the pots and create a beautiful display of nature on your bicycle. This is not only adds a decorative element to your garden but also brings life to your old bicycle. Secondly, you can convert your old bicycle into a unique garden sculpture by painting it with bright and bold colors or using it as a trellis for climbing plants. You can also add fairy lights or string lights to your bicycle to create a magical ambience to your garden. Thirdly, you can transform your old bicycle into a bird feeder or bird house by placing a small bird house on the front or back of the bicycle. This not only provides a shelter to the birds but also adds a whimsical touch to your garden decor. Lastly, you can use your old bicycle as a base for creating a garden bench by removing the wheels and attaching a wooden plank on the bicycle frame. You can also add a cushion on the plank to make it more comfortable for sitting. In conclusion, repurposing old bicycle to decorate your home garden is a creative and innovative way to add a personal touch to your garden decor. The above mentioned ideas are just a few of the many ways you can use your old bicycle to create a unique and artistic display in your garden. So, next time you think of disposing of your old bicycle, think again and give it a new life by using it as a part of your home garden decor. So, this is all about today's video, and I hope so you like it. And if you like our videos and you want more, so subscribe our channel and hit the like button. Thank you.